Viewers will clearly see a small magnetic whiteboard on the fridge become a practical weekly command center for tasks and goals. Step 1, they mount the board and assign color codes for work, home, and errands in the kitchen or office. Step 2, they jot down incoming tasks, cross them off as completed, and erase at Sunday's reset. The benefits are clear: faster planning, fewer missed chores, and reduced mental clutter that saves minutes daily. They should try it tonight, share a quick pic in the comments, and subscribe for more efficient tricks today.